You found the perfect new home, but your current home hasn't sold yet, or you know you don't qualify for two homes at the same time. So ultimately, you feel stuck. We know this is still a competitive market. Multiple offers, cash offers, and offers over asking are still prevalent for homes priced right and staged well. Of course, there are homes sitting on the market who will take a contingent offer. But what if your perfect home just came on the market, perfectly priced and perfectly staged? How do you get the equity out of your current home in time? Bridge loans and cash out refinances are a common way homeowners today can cope with purchasing before selling, accessing built-up equity. But these options can be costly, unpredictable, and require you to qualify with both homes. I have a solution for that. Today, I want to go over a new program. Now you can buy before you sell with confidence and not be a contingent borrower. Plus, there's a way to make this done at no cost with all of the benefits. I'm Nicole Ruth, SVP of the Ruth team in Denver, Colorado. Before we dive into the good stuff, I want to say thank you so much for watching. Whether it's your first time seeing one of my videos or you're a regular, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when a new video comes up. Buyers looking to move from a home they currently own face different challenges than first-time home buyers. There's a bit more strategy involved. The team you use to help coordinate things tends to be bigger. Depending on if you're going to convert your home into a rental or try to sell it concurrently, it can be a lot. And because many of the buyers today are moving because they must, there's a good chance that there are other life stressors going on in the background. So I want to go over a way to relieve a bit of that stress. Through our new trade-up program, we can make your move painless by allowing you to buy your new home before you sell your existing one. You can use this program to receive a guaranteed purchase agreement for the full market value of your current home. This allows you to submit a non-contingent, all-cash offer on the new home of your choice. Plus, you don't pay anything up front. Even better, you can still put your home on the market for sale, and if it sells outside of the program, you don't have to use their funds, and it's completely free. That's right. You can go into buying looking like the best candidate with a guarantee your current home will sell. And if you do end up needing the funds from the program, there is a convenience fee of 1.9%. which will be deducted from the proceeds from the sale of your existing home, not out of pocket. Plus, whether your realtor sells your home or if the trade-up program buys it, you keep the proceeds and your realtor gets paid. Everyone wins. Now, you might be asking how this differs from a bridge loan. Well, for one, it's so much easier to qualify. With bridge financing, you have to qualify for both your current and the new home, plus that new bridge loan. In addition, you end up paying a lot of fees as you have multiple loans during this transaction. Plus, it's a bigger gamble that your old home will sell for a certain price. This new program doesn't have that limitation. Now, this program is not for everyone, but it is one of the best I've seen out there for current homeowners who are looking to buy before they sell. And if you're looking to buy before you sell, give the Ruth team a call. We not only have this program, but 5 other options available today. If you choose to keep your home as an investment property, well, we have a solution for that as well.